Okay, I'm just recording this session for our future reference. So, what we discussed yesterday, we tried all the scenarios, right? FIMM integration. At least we had seen the entire cycle of purchase order, P2P process, right? Purchase order, then goods receipt, and then invoice receipt, and also we had seen clearing the GRIR account also. Okay, and we already, I mean, we also seen goods issued to the cost center, one moment type transaction, and we understood the definition of moving average price. So let us understand the definition of standard price. We'll see practically how it will get reflected in the system, how how accounting impact will be will be done for standard price scenario. Okay, we'll see that scenario. But for that definitely we need a separate material. Okay, so what I will do, I'll create one material. Oh my God, I think I thought I was connected to the system, but fine. I'm connecting to the system. So let us create one metal master with a standard price control. So we have two price controls. One is moving average price, and another is standard price. Okay. Okay. SP. Okay. Sorry. MM 03. Oh, this is a display. So let us create it immediately. Now let us create industry take the standard one we can use mechanical, which is successful in the training service. Now I want, do we have we created a new metal type? Hmm? Have we created a new metal type? No, right? So what we should do, where we should create the metal type? We need a metal type, right? Creating a finished good material or raw material with the MM01. Also we need, of course, we already have raw material. Okay. Okay. So we are on raw material only, right? So what we'll do, we'll consider the same raw material only, but we'll see the price control. Where we have this one, what was it? This is a raw material for our company code we created, and let us take select views. This is what we need. Let us select this also, plant also. This is fine. Default setting, this is okay. Now here the plant is TA98, and this one, this is RMTA, and click on continue. So I'm just creating one more material with a standard price scenario, price control, standard price control. Description, material master with for TA98, but this is with the standard price scenario. Earlier it was normal moving average price. So this is also, I'll put it the same. There is no difference here. Anything I have maintained? Go to group, I think. Gross weight is okay. Let me put it one something here. Don't think that is really required, but we'll see. Basic data. It is asking us. Okay. Go to the basic data to basic material. Someone has made this field as mandatory. Just I'm giving some value here. these fields became now mandatory. I don't know, someone has might changed. Okay, go to the purchasing tab. Here, purchasing group 0001. Anything else we need it here? MRP1, MRP group. This is not required. This is required. MRP2. Storage location RMTA. Okay, go to the MRP4. So this is fine, and this is also ours only. Nothing to be maintained here. Go to the anti-data one. This is also not required anything. Plan data storage 2. Profit center is required here. Okay, and go to the accounting one tab. So this is what we are discussing now. Okay, I'm creating one material with a standard price. Where the standard price will have that option, we'll have it here. Here price control V. So earlier we had seen price control moving a price scenario. Okay, now let us see what happens if you are considering standard price for the raw material. So here price unit is 1 only. Price per unit, I'll put it as 1. Now let us give some big value. So let us give 200 here. Local currency is converted, that's fine. So I'm giving standard price per unit, it is 200 rupees in the metal master, which is equal to 2.26 USD. Okay, price control is yes, which is standard price. Okay, accounting to no need anything. This is about costing. Click on save. The field availability check. Okay, this is a mandatory field, just no check. KPs means no check. Click on save. So we created one material master with a standard price. Material display. So this is our material master. Okay, why this is every time this is coming, right? So we can default it if you want. RMTA, you can default the setting here. So every time it won't ask you. Continue. So this is a metal master, we created it. But the main thing is go to the accounting one. So we created with 200 rupees, just remember that. Now let us create /o me21n purchase order. So purchase order, so give the same one here. Material, what is the metal ID now we created? What is the material ID? This is a material ID. Control C and go back to the purchase order. Give metal here and give some 4 quantity, and let us anyhow condition type will trigger this one. I'm considering the same value. INR metal group plant, and this is storage location RMTA, right Chari? RMTA. And so I'm just giving in the metal master we had given, which is price is some 200. Now here I will give 300 value. We'll see if it is considering or not. 300, there is a difference now. Okay, purchase organization, obviously we have to enter the at the header level, we have to maintain these 3 categories and go to the conditions. And here where is okay, let's do one thing. uh, don't define all these are not required. Press enter. Press enter. It is a condition. So delete all this which is not required for your calculation. Okay, only we have this also. I'll delete it. This one system, I don't think this will get deleted, someone has defaulted it. If I try to delete it, it says processed manually. So ignore this one and what you do, enter this standard price condition type. Okay, I will maintain here as 300. There in the metal master we maintain as 200. I'm maintaining 300 here, so 300 it will get copy here, 300. Okay, now 300 into 4, 200, but in metal master we maintain as 200, so 200 into 4, 800. There is difference of 400 rupees difference is there, but what should happen for that 400? Then we'll see. Come back to the good edit. No, here we have this option, check. So all are like what do you say, it's not mandatory, it's a warning messages. Click on save, we'll see. Click on save. So purchase order, of course, display option here it should be, should it, there is, I don't see the option here. Here it can see now. So this is our 300 and 300, which is equal to 200 rupees. So open one more transaction, slash o migo. Guys, you are following me, right?
Yes, sir.
Goods received.
Yes, sir.
So I'm receiving the goods against purchase order. What is my purchase order number? This is my purchase order number, and this is I'm just receiving the goods for the same material against this purchase order. Okay, click on execute. So this purchase order details will get updated accordingly. Quantity 4 and quantity 4. Okay, scroll down and also have to maintain the details like uh, okay, you can mention goods received purchase order and anything else item. Okay, purchase order, partner, account assignment, any of this will get copied automatically. So quantity I'm receiving as it is. Now click on check. Document is okay. I don't see any errors at the time of goods receipt. Okay, and we are receiving goods against this purchase order, which is movement type is 101. Click on post. So account determination for entry TN98 PRD is not possible. What is PRD? Price difference. Yes, this is the scenario. So during our moving a price we are not faced this scenario, right? So during only at the time of standard price only. So what is happening is your go to the missiles. What we maintained, sorry, in the metal master, what is the price we maintained? Which price?
200.
200.
Which price we maintained?
200.
Which price we maintained?
Standard
Standard
price.
price. Okay, we maintained standard price, and as you mentioned, it is 200 rupees. Okay, we were discussing about standard price scenario. So 200 value, and what was the? This is a metal price, material standard price. Okay, and your what is your purchase order price? It is 300.
300.
300. What
Three.
was the quantity? We received 4, right? 4 into 200, which is 800. It should be 800. And this is 300 into 4. It should be 200. That's what we had seen, right?
Yes.
Now therefore there is a difference of price. That's the reason system is expecting some price difference account here. That's the reason system is throwing direct on the face itself. It is throwing error, right? PRD is not possible. Click here. I don't think we'll get some information here, but just go to the OBBC transaction and create the GL account. Create one GL account as price difference. Unnecessary. I clicked on this one, I think. So what is the transaction code? Sakshi, FIMM, where we assign the GL accounts? OBYC. Okay. OBYC is a transaction where we can see all the transaction keys. Like yesterday we had discussed on BSX, right? Similarly, we'll be discussing. Yesterday we had seen this one also. GBB also we had seen. And today now for this one, see here price differences PRD. Okay, chart of accounts is TN98 and press enter continuously. Continue validation class, and this is not required. Click on save. It will ask you to save. Validation class is RM. We post in the middle master it is RMTA, and account is we have not defined any account, so create one more session, create the GL account as price differences as expenses account. So FS00, this is not our sir. So what we'll do, change the company code to TN98 and go to the expenses and take one salaries, copy it, and you can just give one new GL account 3008, and this is primary, that is fine. Remove this description to the price difference account. price difference account, control C, control V. Come back to the control data. So everything is same, and I'm expecting the this one also I'm expecting control create bank interest price difference account. Of course, cost accounts also fine. 3008 is a GL account. Go back to the configuration. 3008 GL account. 3008 press enter save. Continue. This is not used,
Maybe.
but it's fine. Sorry,
Okay.
it's okay, sir.
That's a request.
Request, it's okay.
Hmm.
And now you know what is the importance of customizing request number, right?
Yes.
So, um, so click on check, click on post. So now that earlier error, because we already assigned GL account 3008 for that PRD price difference, right? So, but the thing is, system is expecting one cost center, because since this is a cost element account, right? I mean primary cost element. So system definitely it will expect controlling account assignment. That's the reason system is throwing the account assignment related to the cost accounting. So we need one cost center. Where we can update the cost center? Anyone? Tell me. Slash n OK B9, right? Where is there is a transaction where we can default to the cost center from this the default account assignment. So go to the new entries and maintain TN98 cost center. What is the cost center? See, cost element. What is the GL account we created? 3008. Go to the uh, 3008 here, update here 3008 as cost element. It's a cost element is nothing but your GL account only. Okay, cost center is this one. Click on save, click on continue, come back to the error mode and click on continue. Again, click on check, again, click on post. So, document got posted. Can anyone tell me what will be the accounting document? What will be the accounting document? We posted 3008, right? And this is a price difference account. At the time of goods receipt, what was the transaction yesterday we had seen? At the time of goods receipt, inventory, debit, and GRIR account credit. Do you agree? GRIR account credit. This is what we had seen yesterday. But now one more picture is coming here. This inventory account and GRIR account. Now there is a difference, correct?
Yes, sir.
Inventory. Now we'll see. And the system should also post with the price difference, correct? Price difference. So go back to the system and you can see display here itself. Display. You can click on execute. Go to the document information. Click on FI documents. Click on accounting document. So system is updating your inventory account. Raw material debited 800. This inventory raw material is coming from 800. From where it is coming 800? Obviously from the purchase order 200 into 4, it's coming from a raw material. It's the name itself, it is mentioned, right? Raw material. So from the raw material system is picking 800. This is your standard price 800. Okay, and your GRI account 1200 because goods received. Okay, 1200 we received goods received against purchase order. Goods received against purchase order. So purchase order value is 300. 300 into 4 quantity, which is 1200. The difference between inventory and GRI is 400. Is that clear? This is the scenario if you're using standard price. Is that clear? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So always make sure that inventory means raw material. So in the raw material we have the price is 200, 200 into 4, which is 800. And GRIR goods received, goods received has been raised against purchase order. So in the purchase order we have the value as 300. 300 into 4, 1200, right? And there is a difference of this between two, which is 400. So 400, this is debited, and sorry, this is 1200, right? So this is debited again. So debit is equal to GRR account credit. This is your accounting document. This is a very what you say, it's a very commonly asked in the interview question. Okay, they will ask you if there is a difference in the price, what happens. Okay, you should tell this scenario, whatever that scenario we discussed now. Now go back to the if you want to see, you can why this is coming. I think I did not close the. Okay, slash o me23n. You can go back to the purchase order. This is purchase order history. So you can see the purchase order, which is goods receipt 200. This is fine. Now we can go back to the slash o miro miro. Now I'm not entering anything here. I'm not entering anything here. Just enter the purchasing document number. You can mute yourself, sir. 2183. So here enter this one, purchase order. So for document types, okay, just to give some reference value, press enter. Now you can click on calculate tax. If at all, if you had given something, yes, give some value here. Okay, the value is 1344. 1344. Click on enter again. So system definitely it is asking some values. So remove this one. Go to the withholding tax. Let us understand accounting document for the standard price scenario. What happens? Press enter. Now still I see some errors. Business place. View business place. Section code is not required, but it's fine. Now I can see green mark. Okay. Now we can click on simulate. That's correct. Okay. 200 and 72 is nothing but 144, which is 144, right? 144 is your tax, CGST, SGST. This makes sense. Click on post. Okay. Display and okay. Now you can go back to the purchase order. You can refresh this purchase order. Other purchase order 21383. It's the same. And I can see the invoice receipt now 200 zero account to vendor account with your taxes. This is a process, sir. Purchase order process. So much is there. I mean, we have to explore a lot. As I mentioned yesterday, SAP is a very vast application. So you have to, the more you explore, the more the knowledge you get.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Now, what we'll see, let us, so now we can start a new topic, which is FISD integration. But you people understood the integration of FIMM? Sakshi, you have any questions on FIMM integration? Divya, I think you're clear if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so FIMM integration we completed. So Sakshi is she's very silent. Huh?
सर बहुत ज्यादा है
you,
हैंगओवर
I already told you many times you can connect with me if you have any. If presently where you are, I mean, what is the area that you are practicing now?
सर स्टिल इन बैंक अकाउंटिंग
Okay, fine. But your bank accounting, you are doing performing payment transactions, right? APP, order
नो
to
सर
payment. Okay,
आई हैव डन स्टार्टिंग कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ओनली सर
okay. Kardo, take some time and try to finish it up. Okay, and you have bank accounting, and immediately I think you have completed GST also, taxation part. Sakshi, have you
हेलो
completed GST? Have you completed GST?
यस सर
Okay. So you have banking and as well as integration FIMM. That's only two topics, right?
यस सर
Okay. Fine. Divya, I think you're up to the date, if I'm not wrong.
I need to start, sir.
Okay. Then you can
APP.
start. Okay. Even I did not loaded that. I think. Wait a minute. I will load this to 31 and 32 today. Okay. Okay. Now you can mute yourself, guys. I'm getting a lot of background noise.
Sir, we'll stop this recording still FIMM, and we'll start new recording for FISD.
Why, sir?